Wow, that was a launch. Who am I kidding? Hey, man. Eat that thing, fishy. Fuck. How am I missing this thing? Come on, fish. We're in the danger zone, you know. I'm eating that thing, eh? I'm not touching my red bait. Whoa! In the danger zone. Paddle, boyki. Come on fish, come on fish, come on fish, take it. Bite, fishy bite, fishy bite, fishy bite. Yes! First fish of my 40s! It's not a giant, but it's a fish. The first fish of my 40s is a blacktail! Yeah. Yeah. Finally, a fish that stuck. Hello, chap. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Oh. He's not a giant, but it's a fish. Mwah! See you, buddy. I'm 40. Do you know what's amazing is that I'm 40 and I'm gonna have to paddle back through the surf, which has been picking up. There's a solid chance I'm gonna swim on the way home. I better go in. Okay, so there's a good chance I'm going to flip in the surf, so what I've done is I've stowed away the reel and I got a lanyard on the rod because I reckon if it's standing like that, when I flip the rod's going to snap. So let's see what happens. What's going to happen next? Nobody knows. in the surf zone now, close to. Just gonna wait a bit for the big swells. I should have taken that one. Oh boy. Made it. Look at the set coming through now. I thought I was poked there, to be honest. Okay, first fish of my 40s.